coming down. After a couple of good rainstorms, I decided our drainage needs some improvement. So after I looked around at these downspouts, I decided to do some underground downspout drainage. That is a lot of water right there, and I just wanted it away from the house. So enjoy all my hard work. Like our little tin man. At least this little tin man. Kind of creepy right there. Oop. Hey everybody, today's Saturday, July 3rd, 2021. I'm doing another downspout drain underground. I'm digging the trench today. I did that one last week. Seems to be working good. So I'm gonna do this one and catch two other ones. One, two, there'll be 3 downspouts on this drain. And then it'll all be going off of this. You probably can't tell it, but right here it dips down. It's a big gully type thing. Anyway, enjoy watching me dig. All right, I think I got it dug out. Well, I got one piece down there, about 10 more feet trench to do, and then it'll all be done trench wise. Let's show you what it looks like. Time of that, I'll dig that deeper, get that out of sight. That's it. I use the orange ribbon just to get a straight line. That's all I use that for. Tie into there, to there, and then it'll all come out down here. I'll go ahead. This is the fiber optic, so I'm gonna run right over that. I'll put a little pad there of dirt and then run the pipe over it. Carry the pipe off and let it outfall right here somewhere. All right, so I think I got it. I got it dug out. Let's see if we can get a good shot. Whew, man. I'm gonna go get the measuring wheel. Okay, I got the measuring wheel. I'm gonna measure this trench that I just dug. Plus I got about 8 feet there. About 5 feet there. Looks like it's 75.9. 75.89 feet of trench. And I'm gonna go get the pipe and bring it down here. Lay it out. Get it ready for in the morning. Morning guys, it's July 4th, 2021, and this is my project for the day. I got all the pipe laid out yesterday after I finished digging the trench. So yesterday I was able to finish up, get all the pipe in, and I wanted to show y'all what I got done. There's one area that I got the pipe in, but I need to pick up a couple of more fittings and get those to lower this pipe down a little bit. But anyway, I want to show you what I got. Okay, so this is where the outfall is. I may end up adding a little bit to the end of there, getting it further out, but for now I'm gonna leave that, see how it does. We're expecting rain tomorrow, I think, but I got all this covered up and packed down, bedded in the pipe pretty good, all except for here. I left it because what I had to do here, I don't know if you can tell, this is concrete. This is part of the foundation, and I couldn't get it close to the brick there on the house. So I had to come out and I used that Y so that I could have a clean out like I did over there. But That one you can tell is up against the house better, or up against the brick. Looks better. So I'm gonna try to lower that down. I'll have to get a couple more fittings, lower that down, and it'll still have plenty of fall, I believe, to get the water out of there. So this is what I got so far. And I'll try to get a video of what comes out of the pipe at the end down there when we get the rain. So thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate it. And hit the like button and leave a comment if you care to. And we'll catch you on the next one.